Just wanted to share a little bit of info to you guys. Did you know that if you have hiccups, the one best way that I figured out how to get rid of them is by drinking carbonated drinks like Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite. The whole idea of holding your breath or scaring yourself doesn't really work. Because what I found out is when you have hiccups, it's pretty much, it's the, there's air in your stomach. And, I'm sure everyone here knows that. So if you drink 7-Up, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, pretty much carbonated stuff, the carbonation of the drink, as you drink it, counteracts with the air in your throat, causing you to have hiccups. So if you drink that, it will actually counteract that. So one time I had hiccups really bad, like very, very bad, and I had a small sip of Coke. I love Coke. And after that, I had 0 hiccups. And this is after like 10 minutes of non-stop, pretty bad case of hiccups. So, once again, my advice to you guys is if you have hiccups and they're really bad, or if you want to stop hiccups from when they start, drink carbonated drinks. Really help. It really, really, really works. And it's really cool. So just try it out. If not, then it doesn't work for you. If it does work for you, let me know if it works. But for me, at least, it worked for me. So I just want to pass this little knowledge to you guys. Hopefully you can pass this to your friends, and so on and so forth. Alright, bye guys.